Gritsly Mills came to us specific requirements right at the beginning. Those requests sent us back to the drawing board, where we adapted our designs to suit their operation. Once the updated concept was ready, we presented it to them to ensure it aligned with the expectations before manufacturing began. They also had their own logistical hurdles, getting maize and power to the new building, which required constant communication and coordination. Overall, the collaboration worked well because it was built on mutual respect and a shared goal. At the start, we brought everyone together for a detailed meeting to talk through the features they wanted and the reasons behind each request. Understanding the why helped us give practical input on how we can make those ideas workable. From there, we developed tailored solutions and invited Gritsly Mills to view a demo version before anything was permanently implemented. This step ensured alignment and eliminated surprises in a later stage in the project.
I would say one of the most important things is to really sit down with your supplier that you choose and make sure that everyone is on the same page and make sure that they know exactly what your goal is and what you need to achieve. And I think that was within the case with Maize Master. They knew exactly what we are looking for and what the end product must be. So during the whole time of the project, there was a common understanding and there was no gray area. So my advice will be make sure that you know what you want and make sure that the supplier also know exactly what you need. And then it's a win-win situation.